Hey everybody, it's Jessica here, and I want to share with you something really cool. So, as you can tell already by the title of this video, I am now a Just Strong brand ambassador, and I'm super excited because this is an amazing company that makes activewear or athletic wear, and they are dedicated to empowering strong women. So I freaking love this because I love what fitness has done for me. Exercising makes me feel amazing. I love how my body gets stronger every time I exercise. And I also like to look a certain way too. That's important to me as well. And I am very excited about this. So they actually sent me some clothing, which I'm going to try on for you. I'm going to give you my review. So I have a pair of workout pants. Every lady needs a pair of workout pants. And there are certain factors that are very important to me in workout pants. They need to be squat proof because you don't want to squat down or do some type of deadlift in the gym or wherever you are, and then you can see your butt right through it. So, or your underwear. So these are the leggings. They do have other colors. I love that it says Just Strong on the side. That's awesome. Feel fairly stretchy, but solid though, like they're gonna hold things in. I need that. So next I have, what else did they give me? This is so cool. They sent me this stuff. Open it here right on camera. Oh cool, this looks like a little stringer. Yeah, eraser back. That's really cool. I love that. I'm going to try this on for you and show you what it's all about. And because I am now a Just Strong ambassador, I can give you a special discount code. So I will post that information in the description so that you have my code, you can get a discount, and we can just keep empowering other women to live a healthy and fit, strong lifestyle. So this is one of their t-shirts. It has some mesh on it. You can see that on the camera. And it's really light, really quite nice. So this, you can see on the back too, how it's like that. Super excited to try this on. Plus it's a little drawstring here at the bottom. So I'm gonna give this a go. I'm gonna try it on and I will show you what it's all about. To say I am super impressed with what I have received. I don't know, you probably can't tell by just looking, but this is super soft. It feels so nice. And the workout pants, okay, I have specific criteria because I hold a lot of body fat on my ass. So when I am not super lean, that's where all my body fat goes. So sometimes, I need a little help. And by that, I mean, with these, I love them. They're tight. They're stretchy, but they're tight. It's hard to explain. Like, they help hold everything in place. Ladies, I'm sure you'll understand. So I love that. I squatted in them. Everything was fine. You can actually move in them, which is awesome. They look good, and I feel really good right now wearing them. So I hope that I can inspire other women to live a healthy and fit and strong lifestyle. I am so honored to be a part of the Just Strong team. So check the description. I'll have a discount code for you there so you can save money on this athletic wear. All right, stay strong, everybody.